Ma, happy monthsary. Happy fourth month monthsary. It's been 4 months, and we've been through a lot of things already. I'd like to thank you for loving. I love you. Love you so much. Um, Pasensya ka na kung may mga pagkukulang ako sa iyo minsan. But still, I'd like you to know that I love you. I love you so much. And I miss you. I hope you're okay there. Sana masaya ka together with your family. I pray to God that He will continuously guide us in all of our endeavors. And sana patnubayan niya tayo sa pamamahala natin. I pray also that sana we will be having more months or years, sana lifetime yung pagmamahalan natin. Thank you, Ma, for the love, for the caring, for the understanding, and for all the things that you're doing to me. I hope I'm doing all the things that I need to do. Sana nami-meet ko yung expectation mo. Sana ganun ka din sa akin. Mahal na mahal kita. Kahit na tinotopak ka paminsan-minsan, still mahal pa rin kita. Huwag ka mag-alala, sobrang behave ako dito. Sana nga nandun ako together with you para makasama yung pamilya niyo. Alam kong siguro ang saya-saya. I'm so sorry I'm not there, but I hope it could be in the next sa mga susunod na activities yan. Ma'am, mahal na mahal kita. Sa maniwala ka. Sana magmahalan tayo for years. I'm so happy that na-meet mo yung family ko. Pasensya na sa bahay namin. Pasensya na kung medyo maliit at maraming alay. In spite of it, I'd like you to know that I am proud because gusto ka ng pamilya namin. They're so happy for me having you. Sana nga kung buhay si nanay, kung nakita ka niya, I know that magiging masayang masaya siya, and she'll be looking forward to see you also. I love you, Ma. Pakisabi din kay nanay, happy birthday. I love you so much. Have a great day, and I hope I could see you soon because I miss you so much. I love you. Bye.